Have you ever wondered how to use a remote desktop connection in the Windows? So, for example, you are prompted from your boss, yeah, please log into this your remote desktop, and you don't have any idea what is this and how to do and so on and so forth. So I can just give you quick guide how to do it in a basic term. So I've connected to multiple in my life, so I just know how to do it. So let's see here in the base, just close some program. We have a remote desktop here. We can just look for it, a remote desktop connection. So just run it, click here, and then you have this interface. So for example, here, computer, then you can put here some kind of IP of the computer which you want to connect to. So for example, you can connect to computer.fabricam.com, or you can connect to your own like IP you have somewhere running. So anything like looking like IP like this or something like that. Yeah, allow me to save credentials is also a very good idea because then you don't have to always allow or don't have to always do the prompting and so on. And yeah, save the current connection setting to an RDP file open from save connection is very good as well. So just click to the desktop, for example, and then you have here the default.rdp, and then you can always just double click on this one in order to connect with remote desktop, which is very nice. And then it will have saved all of the options you have did here, for example. So username would be my username dot whatever. So if my name is Murian-Coush on the machine, if there's a user on the machine, then you can use it like this. And yeah, you have some more options. By the way, full screen, sometimes you need to maybe even do this because the screen size does have to do with resolution and so on. So some machines don't offer the big one. So then if it doesn't work, is there some error, just try that or just try this one, just try that. So like from my perspective, this one is always working. So yeah. I mean, use on my monitors, you can also say, then it would be full screen for sure, but yeah. Highest quality, blah, 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 display the connection, but when I use a full screen, local resource, so local resources, you can here put all these settings. If you use the Teams, for example, in the other remote desktop, then you want to configure this here. But I mean, it's already configured, but maybe if you want to have some special stuff. Yeah, advanced would be server authenticator verifies that you're connecting. Okay, if server authenticator perform, connect and don't warn me, do not connect, connect from anywhere, experience detect connection quality automatically, and yeah. So there's some kind of connection options here. You have some really nice things, and then you can test. Don't ask me again for connections on these computers could harm you. Log. You trust the remote before you connect. So let's just not do it for now because it warns us. But in general, you would create like this. And yeah, there's nothing so much more to say about it. This is how you use it. And yeah, there's no need to install anything. I mean, there was for some time as well in Microsoft Store the remote desktop app, but I think it's not support anymore. So just maybe use this one from the Windows itself or some other stuff. Yes, thank you very much, guys, and have a nice week. And if you have weekend, and yeah, see you goodbye, and stay vigilant. Bye bye.